Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video we'll be doing another wig install, but this wig install is a headband wig, and I will be working with the company Luvmehair today, which is this company. I've worked with them before. Their hair quality is actually great. I can't even lie, every wig that I've gotten from them so far is like A1, so I have no complaints so far. But I won't be jinxing because you never know. But I'm just gonna be showing you guys what they sent to me. So they sent me some little goodies. They sent me some headbands, some stocking cap I should say, some baby hair comb that I'll be using today to slick my baby hairs. They sent me some bobby pins that I'll be using to put my hair up, and they also sent me some tweezers that you could use your tweezers to do anything pretty much. So that's what they sent to me. I'm going to be showing you guys the headbands that they sent to me. So these are the headbands. I already kind of opened the bag. I've seen like 3 of the colors already, so I kind of know these colors, like I know these prints I should say. But let me show you guys. So the first one they sent to me is this mustard looking one, and I love solid colors. Like solid colors could go with anything, so I always live for solid colors. They sent me this cheetah print one, which is very cute. I feel like it's giving me brown vibes, and you know brown is in right now. This nude looking one, which is also in, and again it's solid, you can wear it with anything. I've seen this color already, but this is also a cute little vibe, you know, giving me beach vibes. And then this camel color pretty much. So let me show you guys the wig right now. So the wig came in this little goodie bag, and I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. So the wig is pretty much looking, this is body wave. I don't remember the exact length of it, but everything will be in the description box, so don't worry. So yeah, this is how it's looking. You know, it comes with the strap to pretty much strap it on. Everybody knows, like, you know, if you're not with the headband wig trend, then what trend are you on pretty much? So this is how the inside is looking. Comes with 4 combs actually, 3 in the front and 1 in the back, and this is how it's looking. Oh, I love these. Actually, I don't even think I'm gonna define these. I feel like the natural wave that it's giving is really cute. I don't know, I feel like I like it like this. It's giving. I'm gonna see if I'm actually gonna curl it, but yeah, let's jump into this video. So I'm just gonna be telling you guys the product that I'll be using, and then I'll be kind of speeding up the video. So I'll be going with some jam today. For my edges, I'll be using the Kiss glue or edge glued fixer. Very good. This is the Sweetie or Swaties collection. This is in strawberry acai, and I'm gonna be using my baby hair combs, of course, and I'm gonna be using the side. I'm gonna be using everything that they sent to me, but for product wise, these are what I'll be using. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys this first one and how cute it is. Like, this is cute. I've seen this headband before, but it's like every time I put it on over again, it's like, yeah, like it's so cute. I love it. Like, it's giving me a little cute vibes, you know, like you're going out for brunch, you have probably like an all white or all black outfit on, and you just decide to just pair it with this. Like, it looks so cute. Like, this is cute. This is actually cute. I'm living for this. You put it up in one and you just go about your day. For example, me, when I'm doing my clients' hair, I have zero patience to get up and fix my hair. Like, I'm about the money, you understand? Like, I'm trying to get my money and I don't want to be late to my clients, you know. I don't want to be late to my appointment. So this, period. Okay, it's giving. This is definitely giving, like, I do a cute little messy bun, and it's like so cute because it goes with my shirt. And I think this is very cute. This is cute. Like, what? Headband wigs are actually cute. Like, I don't care what nobody want to say, they're actually cute and convenient. Like, this week I have beer clients, so you know I'm gonna be wearing this day in, day out. Okay, so yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very convenient wig for people that are normally on the go and really do not have the time to actually sit and do their hair. This is a better alternative for them. And yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to this wig will be in the description box. I'm not sure if I have a code, but if I do, it will be down in the description box as well. The lens, the direct link, everything to the hair will be in the description box. They also have other headband wigs as well, so you don't necessarily need to choose this one. There's other ones that will go perfectly with everybody's texture. I think they have kinky, curly, they have the body wave, they have like the natural curl. Like, they have a lot of textures and they have different colors as well. So if your hair is like bleach at the end or have like color at the ends, they have different wigs to match you, you know what I'm saying? Like, check them out. But thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. So bye.